Today, I'm going to tell you how to make the 100% detox carrot pomegranate juice that is best had during breakfast. For this, I initially take one carrot nicely washed and outer skin peeled. I quickly start chopping it into small pieces the way you see in your video. Parallelly, I also get some pomegranate ready and remove the pulp portion as you see here and get it ready to be added into the mixer grinder. We initially add the pomegranate pulp and then we add the carrots. To this, we're going to add water enough to submerge all the vegetables and fruits. Now we grind it nicely in our mixer grinder and run it through a sieve so that all the hard particles are removed. We add some lemon juice for a tangy taste and then add some salt followed by some pepper. We then top it up with some honey, which is completely optional depending on how sweet you want the juice to be. Our 100% detox carrot pomegranate juice is ready to be had. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.